In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary sender email for Zoho Invoice. Whether you're updating your contact information or switching to a different email provider, ensuring your invoices are sent from the right email address is crucial for maintaining communication with your clients. Let's walk through the process step by step to make sure everything is perfectly set up. First, you'll need to head over to the Settings section within your Zoho Invoice dashboard. Once you're there, look for and navigate to Organization Profile. It's here that you can manage various aspects of your organization's information, including those important email details. As you explore this section, you'll notice an area marked Primary Contact. This is where we will focus our attention today. Next to Primary Contact, you will see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. It will open up a menu where you'll find the option to add a new sender email. Now, click on Plus New Sender. This is the starting point for entering the new email address that you want to use for sending out your invoices. In the fields provided, carefully type in the new email address and name associated with it. Be sure to double-check for any typos or errors, as inaccurate information here could lead to communication issues down the line. Once you've entered the new information, take a moment to save it. You're not done quite yet, though. After saving, you'll want to click on Mark as Primary Contact. By doing this, you're setting this newly added email to be the default address from which all your invoices will be dispatched. This ensures that your clients will see the correct email in their inboxes, helping to maintain a professional and organized facade for your business. However, there's one more crucial step that must be completed. For security and validation purposes, Zoho requires this new sender email to be verified. Shortly after you save and update your settings, a confirmation link will be sent to the new email address you just added. It's important to check the inbox of that email address promptly, as the verification link might have a time-sensitive expiration. Once you locate the email from Zoho, simply click the confirmation link to verify the new sender email. And there you have it. That's how you change the primary sender email in Zoho Invoice. By following these steps, you ensure that all future invoices are sent from the correct email address, keeping your records accurate and your communications seamless. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.